Okay, I'm just checking on DealDash, but, I'll just say it like this, I'm not gonna bid on anything, just so people know, 'cause okay. And that's what it says right now, but, okay. And this is the item I gotten last night, otherwise right now, and they said that item was originally over $200, but I don't really want to bid on too much stuff, because I don't really want to rack up a bill. I don't want to clutter too much, so, like I said, there's one thing I can say is, yeah, nowadays everybody wants a deal. So they go to these, and like they said on one thing, there are professional bidders out there. So, to me, if I can get something dirt cheap, I will try, let's put it. But I want to say this, the bad thing DealDash does is every time someone bids, it extends it for 10 minutes. I was in an auction yesterday for a ring for over an hour, and the ring went for around $10, but you don't know if it was a cheaply made ring. But, like I said, I had to do a search, which with the water fountain, I did found the actual brand of that water fountain. They have their own website, and they sell things. And yeah, they seriously wanted over $200, and I gotten it for only a couple dollars. But yeah, you are paying the shipping technically when you buy the bids, and other people bid on things. So, and this says that it's actually a coupon. I've been wanting to hold off in case there's, okay. Yeah, and the company, obviously, like I said, that one is regular to that price. If you go to that company's website, they will charge you shipping. But, like I said, basically, it's not the best way of saying stuff, but let's see here. Silk tie. And I'm just gonna show you a little bit here, but like I said, and I watched a video, and they said, like, in a video on YouTube, that some people, they overdo it and they cause themselves way too much debt. Like I said, I really just wanna kind of say it like this, is just kind of keep in mind what's what you can and cannot afford. You know, it's okay if you can't afford to buy any more bids. Like last night, when I got in that water fountain, I had the option where I could have, traded the item for over 200 some odd bids. Well, I took the item, but now after I paid for the item, I started thinking, well, I probably should have traded the item for the bids. in case there was, in fact, let's say a brand new Apple iPhone with no carrier, where I could just take it to, let's say, Verizon. They put their card in and it becomes a Verizon iPhone. But then you gotta have money on top of it. Even though you're the winning bidder, you still gotta pay that amount. Now with how many bids you use. Because right now they got a sale going on for bids. I would just recommend that, you just keep paying on your credit card, or make sure you got money on your debit card, whichever you use. And just kind of, save up your bids and hold off until something that's really spectacular that you could use or need or gift to a relative. I know some people say on there are resellers that scam and this and that. I'm not entirely sure. I'm not going to say yes or no on a scam. Like I said, just kind of, like I said, when I get the water fountain, I'm going to have to sit here and think about if I want to try selling it on a Facebook group, because I looked on eBay and the water fountains like that are not, no one's bidding on them on eBay, probably because the shipping would be an arm and a leg to pay for. So, like I said, that's the thing with eBay. Even cash registers don't really sell on eBay because shipping costs would be over $100 for the register alone. And if you sell it on a Facebook group that you're a part of, you can say, you come and meet me at the store in a parking lot, cash only, and then they give you cash, but they ain't gonna pay you the retail value. Keep that in mind. You'd be probably lucky to get around $20 or $50, even though you paid only a couple dollars, but I wouldn't dare say that to the person you sell the item to if you decide to. So, like even with jewelry, if you buy it off a DealDash for real cheap, you're gonna be lucky to break even, because you don't know if it's diamond or cubics or cornea or glass studs. So if it's glass studs, you're kind of out on that money. So, but like I said, basically what I was doing this morning was just watching some of the auctions, just sitting and not bidding. Like I said, you do it too much, yeah. Some people, from what I read, they seriously can get addicted to the website. I'll probably post a picture on Vero. That's probably about it, but yeah, like with that bedding, yeah, that wouldn't be too bad if you could get it, but you gotta make sure it's the right size for your bed. Like with some things, I hate to say it, yeah, there's resellers online. They look for deals so they can flip it and make money and make a living, but and the people that generally want it for themselves and not in it to make money, Yeah, it's hard for them to get that item. I totally agree. So.